Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to the episode Edge, where we dive into the latest celebrity scandals and juicy gossip. Today, we're talking about the WAGatha Christie case that's been making headlines for years, Rebekah Vardy versus Coleen Rooney. So, you might remember back in 2019 when Coleen took to social media to reveal a shocking secret. She'd been plotting a sting operation to find out who was leaking information from her private Instagram account to the press. And guess what? The culprit turned out to be none other than Rebekah Vardy herself, or so it seemed. Rebekah strongly denied any wrongdoing, claiming that her account had been hacked, but Coleen wasn't buying it. In fact, she launched a defamation case against Rebekah, which led to a 6-year legal battle. The drama didn't end there. The cost of the lawsuit ended up being staggering, with Coleen's bill reaching an astonishing £1.8 million. Now, we're hearing that Rebekah has agreed to pay Coleen nearly £1.2 million of her legal costs. That's a significant amount, considering the case was settled out of court last year. But what really caught our attention is how much Coleen's original bill was, £1.8 million. To put that into perspective, Rebekah was initially ordered to pay 90% of Coleen's costs, which works out to around £800,000. But here's the thing. Rebekah's barristers claimed that Coleen and her legal team had understated their own costs by around 40%. That's a pretty significant underestimation. And while the judge ultimately didn't find any misconduct on behalf of Coleen's team, it does raise questions about how much those costs really were. We also have to consider Rebekah's appeal against the decision, which, unfortunately for her, was dismissed in April by Mr. Justice Kavanaugh. He ruled that the judge who found no misconduct had reached the conclusion he came to, and that the appeal must fail. So, what does this all mean? Well, it seems like Rebekah is finally facing up to her mistakes. And while it's not a perfect resolution, at least we can say that Coleen has got some closure after 6 long years of fighting for her rights. That's the episode Edge, folks, always keeping you in the loop on all the latest celebrity gossip and scandals. Thanks for tuning in.